This is a pandemic traveler video and I'm at Coogee Beach today and I'm going to show you around. So let's go have a look. As you can see today, Coogee Beach is quite packed with people. Lots of families. It's one of Sydney's most popular beaches, so a lot of tourists come here. I'm going to walk you down towards the rock pool because I think that's a really beautiful thing to see. And when I go to the beach, I personally don't really like waves, so I prefer to swim in the rock pools, which are basically a swimming pool attached to the beach that has salt water, and it's usually made out of concrete. So I'll give you a little bit of a look of the beach right now, just so you can see the view. Later on, I'll walk a little bit closer down to it, so you can see how clear the water is. So that's Coogee Beach. There's a lot of people, it's quite packed. Not too much social distancing going on here. Not sure if you can see the waves from here, but they're not too bad. There's lifeguards and flagged areas that the lifeguards patrol, so it's a little bit safer for you to swim. I'm not sure what the rescue helicopter is doing here at the moment. I'm not sure, that could be a police helicopter or a news helicopter. Sometimes they check out the water to make sure there's no sharks coming too close to the shore. That's possibly what they're doing there today. It's a little bit of a walk to the rock pool, so if I can't really think of anything interesting to say, I might stop the film and start back up when I get there. So what can I think about Coogee, to give you a little bit of a rundown? There's a very famous hotel here that's known by a lot of local people that live in Sydney, called the Coogee Bay Hotel. It has a really large outdoor area where you can sit in the sun. Also has a really nice restaurant, and I'm pretty sure it goes I've heard, it goes off in the evening, and there's a lot of nice people and dance music and stuff. Not really sure how it's going during COVID. I should go there one day to check it out, or one evening. I was going to go in there today, but the line out the front, due to COVID and everyone needing to be seated, and the capacity limitations due to seating arrangements, there was too much of a line and I was really not interested in waiting. So that's the rock pool, and I'll walk right down to it. Usually you do see a fair few kids playing around the rock pools and stuff. But yeah, if you don't want to go in into the waves, it's a nice alternative. So what does this say? The Way We Were, Entertainment by the Sea, Coogee Palace Aquarium, Gulls Hot Sea Baths and Swimming Pool, and the tram line. So hopefully that's clear enough for you to see, but that looks like Coogee Beach in 1929. It used to have a promenade. There should be some. Oh, hello puppy, how you going? So this is the rock pool. Hello buddy, what are you doing? You want a pat? No, he's not interested. So the rock pool is a really nice place to have a swim, look at the ocean, look at all the views, and not particularly have to be too close to sand or waves in general. My mind and thought I would walk the other way because it might be a little bit quicker to get you down to the sand, so I can show you how clear the water is.
Like when you look at our work and then
Ooh, slippery. Alright, so we're at the water now. Whoop, 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 whoop. So you can see the water's really clear. Beautiful place to swim. I'm trying not to get wet, I have shoes on. And that's a view of the beach. And heads. Thanks again for watching. This has been a Pandemic Traveler video. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Once again, thanks for watching.